What is up, guys? I'm the Unnamed Review Guy, and today we're looking at a product that is going to be a Kickstarter very soon. I think towards the end of May, like May 29th or 30th, that they said to me on Kickstarter, and it is Phabit. So Phabit is it's the ultimate hands-free viewing device. So you see, it's this, right? I'm sure you're probably like me, and you look down at your phone quite a bit. Like, you look down, you're bending your neck, you're sitting in a chair looking down. This device helps prevent you from doing that. So this is what it looks like. So it can be in multiple positions. I'll put videos of me using it and pictures from the actual campaign, the CEO of Phabit, the creator, right? I'll put pictures and videos from him, and I'll put some I did as well here. So basically, it allows you to prop up your device in like a variety of different ways in order to not have to bend your neck when looking at your phone, or in order to have a comfortable viewing experience with your device. It's pretty interesting because, yes, I am someone who, like I said, I look down at my phone a lot. I'm sitting in a chair, I'm sitting at this desk, and I'm editing, and I'm looking down at my phone. But what if I did not have to do that? What if I could put my phone standing up at eye level, right? And still use it and interact with it the way I would if I was holding it. And that is what this does. This allows me to not have all that neck strain and not have all that like uncomfortable sitting positions. Let me be in a comfortable sitting position, be in a comfortable posture, in a good posture, have good neck posture, and still use my phone the way I like to use it. I'm viewing videos, it's very comfortable. You can put the phone in the stand, put it up on a table, put it, if you're lying in bed, you can put it next to you. Or even on top of you, you can be looking up right up on it like this. You can have it like this, and it's a pretty good experience. I've liked it. I've been able to use it. I wasn't 100% sure. It's one of those products that you're like, it's a great idea, but like, how do you get people to use it? Like, will people even use it? Will people actually want to use it? Will people carry it around with them? How do you implement this into someone's daily life? And it's a great product. That's what I'm still experimenting with. I'm still doing that. I'm still trying to figure out, like, is this something you carry around with you? Is this something you have multiple of and you have in, like, your house and at work or something? That's what I'm experimenting with. But right now, I can see this as being a very good product, and one that you might be interested in. It's very, I mean, how to put this? It's very useful. I was shocked a little bit. I was interested in the concept, but at the same time, it's one of those concepts that I couldn't figure out exactly how you would use it, and I like it. Right now, the model I have in front of me is a prototype, so this is not how the final one will completely look, but it's essentially how it will look. You get what I mean? Like, this material is 3D printed, so that's not what the material will look like. Structurally, it'll be a little different. It'll hold your phone more stable in it. But right now, the legs are exactly how you should expect the legs, and these things have actually been very sturdy. They have a few known problems I was told about, which I will not be discussing in this video because there's no reason, because they're known, and they're known how they're going to fix them, but they're very sturdy from what I feel. I've been opening and closing the legs, many times since I've gotten the prototype, and it's worked very well. It feels mine like it might snap, like feel how it would snap when you're trying to turn the legs to position them. You can position them in many ways, by the way, so you can have, like, you can stand this any way you even think of standing it. So I thought it was going to snap a few times the legs, thought, like, man, I'm going to snap them, but they've stayed very well, and I've been very impressed by these legs. So far, the frame, again, like I said, is 3D printed, so for me it's been a little bit hard to open and close, but this 3D printed material, not the final material that's going to be in. I'm pretty sure it's just the material that's making it harder to open and close, and not the design or anything. The design is very good, in my opinion. I've liked it. It's going to be available on Kickstarter, either the 29th or 30th of May, so very soon. That's why I'm getting this video out. This is by no means a review video. It's more of a video to show you the concept and what you can do with it and why I think it's cool of a concept. I can't review it. Like I said, this is a prototype unit, so not something I can review, but I can definitely say the concept is pretty cool, and I look forward to using a final unit on this. So if you're interested in the concept, I will put the Kickstarter down below as soon as it becomes available, or you can follow or you can follow Phabit, spelled like that. Follow Phabit on Twitter, and they will tell you as well. I will tweet out on Twitter when the actual product goes live on Kickstarter. So, if you're interested, I will, again, like I said, put it down in the description below. And I'm very interested to see what people do with this, how people stand their phones, and how useful it's to people. Interested to see it. I thought it was pretty good, useful of a product. I'm still trying to figure out how it's used, how people are going to implement it into their daily lives, but I'm interested. And if you're interested too, check it out. It'll be on Kickstarter very soon. Look, you can stand it like that. If you want to, you could stand it. That's what I'm saying. It's very... You can stand it any way you think of. If you want to, I just did that randomly. You can stand it like that. So, very interesting product. It's been fun to play around with and use, and kind of discover how I can use it and what applications I can use it for. So, thank you for watching. Unnamed Review, out.